morning, evening, afternoon from wherever you're watching from. This is April vlog. It's been long, so I want to do some catch up with you guys. April is a long month and we have a lot of things we are gonna be doing, including hair. Yeah, so to keep you guys story, let me remove my hair, then I straighten it. Namna that, right? Yeah. So, first things first, I'm off the market. Engaged. Sasa ni kupanga harusi. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm excited. Yeah, it was in this April, and I'll upload a snippet of what happened. It was such a big surprise, guys. Hoi, wadau. Love is good, though. Find love. Find my pens. So yeah. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Kumbe hata hakuna story ni yote. That's the big announcement I had for you today. Taking care of my hair stresses me a lot, but I have to, because yeah, it's the right thing to do. If I handle it, I feel I handle it with care, with love. And like when I take it to the salon, they're just in business. They really don't care about your hair as much as you would have cared about it. So most of the times I wash it, and then I wash it thoroughly, well, clean, and then I straighten it. Then I'll just go to the salon and get it done, plaited. Yeah, but the care, washing, and doing it when I have done it, just home. Yeah, maybe I'm helped by a friend. Yeah, or I just do it myself for like 2 days. Yeah, I don't mind. Instead of going to the salon, because my hair, how do I say this, ushikana kwanza at the edges, so when I like comb it, it's super painful. So I can't imagine another person combing it. I comb it with gentleness. Yeah, so nobody can comb it the way I do. Mimi ndio I feel it better when I do it myself. Yeah, something of the sort. And then yeah, that's it, guys. Then removing everything, so let's comb it. Oh, it's painful. Oh, ooh, look at this one, but it's still super painful. Well, I can't see what is happening over there, but something is definitely off. Ooh. Yeah, so let's here. Ooh. We are getting there.
Bad traffic ain't a waste of time. When you were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405 since you said I'd missed my last chance. But I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make it mine. It might take some time to change your mind. I know. I wish I'd never let you go. If I took you for a top-down drive, just you and
Yo, I don't recommend. Because what? He? Endeni mfanyiwe hizi vitu. Baby girl treatment. I don't recommend, guys. But I'll continue doing it either way. But the aftermath. Oh. Ooh. I don't recommend though. But me, I'll still continue.
Good morning. So, let's make some breakfast. Yeah, I'm having some cold. It's cold outside and it's cold inside as well. So, let's make some quick breakfast for the morning. Oats, yogurt, peanut, chia seeds.
bad traffic ain't a waste of time. When you were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405 since you said I'd missed my last chance. But I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make it
Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. We are traveling tonight back to Nairobi. The Easter holiday is done. We are with Grace here. Grace, say hi to the people. Yeah, we are waiting for our bus. Yeah, we are leaving at 8 to Nairobi. It's gonna be a long journey. I don't know whether I'm ready, but I'm ready either way. I don't have an option. Yeah, so see you guys in Nairobi tomorrow.
Caution light, I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind, I know. I wish I never let you go. Oh, I wish I never let you go. Oh, I wish I never let you go. Bad traffic ain't a waste of time. When you were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405 since you said I'd missed my last chance. But I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change your mind, but maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind, I know. I wish I never let you go. If I took you for a top-down drive, just you and me and an empty road, maybe I can make it cross your mind. Jump back in, baby, go, go, go. Oh, I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? Oh, it might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind, I know. I wish I never let you go. Oh, I wish I never let you go. I wish I never let you go. I know you've been asking about me. If I tried though to take it all back, would you let me? Oh, it might take some time to change